Alright, so we're going to be replacing the sunroof glass, not the whole assembly, just the glass on a 2015 MKZ. The issue we're having is the seal got pinched one of the times it was getting closed, and after that it just got deformed, so it's just leaking water like crazy inside. So I'm replacing the whole sunroof. These seals are not replaceable. They're somehow glued in there pretty insanely, like you just can't remove them at all. So they're basically one-time sunroof glass, I guess. Right, so on the passenger side, this piece right here slides off from the top. The bottom stays. So on top, you just slide it out, and it's going to expose the bolts. There's going to be 1 and 2. We're using T25 Torx. And there's going to be 1 in the front as well. They are tight. We loosened them up already. Alright, so same thing for the driver's side, 2 T25 Torx screws. Take them out. And as you can see, we are in just a regular position, in a closed position. I think this is going to be the easiest position to take them out, and that way you put the glass in and you can align it right away so it's sitting flush. So we have the screws removed, the 4 total screws. Okay, so the glass pops out. Just take it out of here. So these are the screw holes, basically, each side. Just have to move it around, set it in place. So I have that guy screwing in the sunroof. So you just make sure it's flush, and we're holding a position, and it's getting tightened right now. So just make sure it's not popping out anywhere, as flush as possible. So now we're doing the driver's side, so you see how much movement you get. So just make sure you get it as flush as possible with the roof. Same with the back. I bought a used sunroof because I think new one's like $600 or $800, some ridiculous amount, and I think they're might be even discontinued at the dealer. But these sunroofs, they fit, I think 13 to whatever last year of MKZ, and then I think it was like 13 Ford Fusion up to 19, or the last year of the Fusion, it's all the same. So replace the glass. This is it. Just kind of make sure it's all aligned.